Abomasipalada abanengi babonakala behle khulu ngehlangothini yenzuzo. Ungabhadela kwezenzela zikamasipalada nokhunye ngikho kubangela ukuthi abomasipalada abanengi batlhayelelwe imali. Kanti hlangana nokhunye kubala ukuhlogeka kwamakghonofundwa kuye nokukhwabanisa okwenza abomasipalada ukuthi bangasebenzi ngendlela efaneleko. Nanyana umhloli incwadi aveze kanengana inzathu ezibangela ukuthi abomasipalada abanengi babhalelwe ukusebenza nje, sabonakala sikhula ngamandla isibalo sabomasipalada babhalelwa kulandela umthetho womthethosisekelo enarheni le. ISewula Afrika iragela phambili nokubhalelwa kunikela izenzelo emphakathini ekungikho kugcina kubanga imtjhagalo eminingi enarheni lezombelele. Ngenyanga kaMrhayili ungqongqotjhe weemali uTito Mboweni wahlathulula ubujamo beemali zabomasipalada njengeqiniso ekufuze kuqalanwe nalo.
Currently, there are 163 municipalities which are classified as being in financial distress. 163. 40 municipalities in a financial and service delivery crisis. 102 municipalities who have adopted budgets this year which they cannot fund.
Njengomana kulindeleke ukuthi kwethulwe isitatimende somgomo wesabelo seemali nje, wonke amehlo aphezu kwakangqongqotjhe omutsha weemali uEnoch Godongwana. Abantu abanengi bathonyekile begodu babona ingasuthi umnyango weemali uphelelwa zindlela zokuthuthukisa izenzelo lemphakathini. Njengomana ehlangano yobusaka yeloba bomasipalada abanengi nje, lokhu kungagcina kuphazamisa amahlelo ekufuze abekelwe phambili enarheni le. Ukubhalelwa kusebenzisa imali ngefanele kwabanye abomasipalada egcine kubangele ukuthi baphungulele isabelo semali kutshiye indawo eziningi zinganazo izenzelo ezifaneleko.
And most of the challenges that are faced by municipalities are financial in nature, leading to some municipalities not able to fulfill their obligations such as employee salaries. They're not able to pay their service provider. But most importantly, municipalities are not able to deliver the service to the residents.
Iziko labahloli incwadi zikahulumende iSouth African Institute of Government Auditors lithi isitatimende somthetho wesabelo seemali lo fuze sibekelele phambili ukuhlomisa abaphathi abathatha inqundo kubomasipalada. Isayika ithi ukutsho lokhu ngombana abaphathi aba ngibo abanamandla wokuthoma izinto.
We are concerned about spending, especially on unnecessary items that are not adding value.
Njengomana kunambaphathela abatsha nje engenzeka kugcine kunefuneko yokusebenzisana kwabasopolitiki, abanye abantu banethemba lokuthi kuza kuba namajuguluko amakhulu ngehlangothini lezenzelwa zomphakathi kuye nokusebenzisa imali yomphakathi ngendlela efaneleko.